Hi, let's talk about the installation of the Vivaldi web browser on your Linux Mint or Kali Linux. I use Linux Mint, okay? So what I did to get the document, well, I've got it in the Google Doc. If you go to the show notes, theguyrecookraport.podbean.com, click on that link for the Google document. It's got all the steps there. All the features are listed in the link that's provided there onto the computingforgeeks.com post about installation. So I can show you better than I can tell you, so let's get busy doing that. Now to get this look on the Linux box where I was installing this, I emailed the link that I got from the Google document straight away to Gmail, and then I opened it on the Linux computer in a regular browser and followed the steps. Okay, so you got the first steps here, the creating the apt repository to get the file, okay, and then you install the Vivaldi browser doing these commands. You do the update, make sure everything is updated, latest version, install Vivaldi stable version. Don't get no Batman cutting edge new thing. And it's going to look like that, and apply at the end. It's going to say, do you want to continue? Of course you push yes, and bazinga, then you're going to have Vivaldi browser on your Linux computer. We'll be right back after these words. This podcast is brought to you by Podbean. Podbean is the easiest way to create your own podcast. I use Podbean to host the Guy R. Cook Report. Download the free Podbean podcast app to start, record, and publish your very own podcast in minutes. Podbean provides everything you need to run your podcast, and you can record and publish episodes directly from the app or on your phone. Download the free Podbean app today. That's Papa Oscar Delta Bravo Echo Alpha November. Podbean. Head on over to Podbean at www.podbean.com and use the code podcast21 for your first 30 days of podcast hosting for free. Check it out. So there you have it. Podbean's the solution if you're a podcaster. Do take a minute to take a look at their efforts. Go to podbean.com. Like it said, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day. Thanks for the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap.